this evening we're going to learn the difference again between painting and staining. We are going to practice some great staining techniques, and we're going to create beautiful, beautiful treasure boxes that you should have received in your mail. Are we ready? Don't stir in the like on the top. Now you are going to take your brush lightly and then rub it on the edge of your jar. I'm going towards the grain. See? Just like that. You can turn. Oh, wait, take a sip. I'm getting thirsty. Everybody take a sip. Take a sip. Nice cold water. Yes. Get lit. Leah, you might want to try this. I took a wet rag, not wet, just damp, and I wiped it. Okay. Be like that? I wipe you. It can be any way you want. This looks like denim.
So you won't have like the fingerprint
like that. Yeah, you can hold it like this.